Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks. Today is not time to take video, not application, not unboxing. Today time to explore one another city accommodation or house tour. Currently I am living in Luxembourg. So here my company are providing me one accommodation and I am spending here 3 months, around 3 months, and this particular accommodation price is monthly 900 euro. How I find out this accommodation? You can visit on furnished.lu website. I already put it the video description. The website are providing you like a 700, 800, 850, 900, 1000 or 1200 around in between euro. They are providing you accommodation in this particular place. I will provide you detail which types of accommodation they are providing me and what is the facility in this particular accommodation. So let's check it out. Furnished.lu. I book my accommodation using this platform. This is my accommodation place. I will show you about the accommodation detail inside the house. So this is a 3-floor building. So upper stage some rooms are available. In ground side washing machine facilities are available. Let's see. First of all, look at this here. 2 washing machine and dryers are available. You can use those one and very easily clean your clothes. So we see now room. First of all, I will show you here the common area. So you can sit here for the dining table, play some game, party, enjoy. So big sofa is available here. It's quite interesting for me. One refrigerator are there. Here is my room. In the ground floor just only one room and that one is mine. Here is a common kitchen. Here is a bath and toilet just only for me. We see first of all the kitchen. So look at this. Here is a big kitchen. 2 inductions are available. Like that one is first and that one is the second. 2 dryers also available here to clean your stuffs very easily. And here is a basin. So a huge kitchen, and that one is a huge microwaves also too, as well as you can cook your other stuff like a barbecue and all, both similar kind of same. And number of drawers are available here. Like here each and every person are using. That one is mine, so you can put it here your own stuff purchasing. There is a 2 refrigerator as well as here also 2 refrigerators, so you can put it your own stuff here. And especially kitchen appliances is a huge number, so no need to wait and all. You can very easily cook your food using this huge big kitchen. And one more thing, here one gallery is also available. You can come here and spend some time very easily. So here is the stuff. Now I will show you bath. So this is a bath. It's huge, like big bath, and it's clean and so interesting. Now we'll see here internet connection are available. Internet facility is super fast going on the internet here especially. Now comes to my room. It's a huge, look at this here outside, the huge room. So here also big space are empty. They are providing one lamp also here, night lamp. This is my bed. They are providing everything inside the bed, even towel also they are providing. So look at this. This is originally, I am not changing anything. Here is one small store table are there. Here study table are available. You can put it your stuff and work very easily. Wi-Fi is unlimited and amazing speed. Here one heater, the speed outside the window view you can see here I am. And for the cloud point of view, here is a huge big wardrobe, so you can put it your all stuff here very easily. They are providing television also. I am not using the television, and the night lamp also, so you can put it your clothes here. And here some drawers are available, so you can use those stuffs Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and hit the bell icon. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.